National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for north central Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, east central Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina until 12:30 a.m. At 12 a.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Honey Island, or 13 miles north of Charlotte, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Freeman around 12:10 a.m. Delco, Riegelwood, and Beta Aurora around 12:15 a.m. Northwest around 12:20 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Sandy Creek. This includes U.S. Route 74 between mile markers 417 and 428. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.